make them stop.
They're so mean.
Middle school is tough on everyone, kids.
No, it's not the other dragons, it's the villagers.
They called us the most horrible name.
That's terrible.
They called me Giant Pistachio Lizard.
And me a Chartreuse Moose.
Why do they always focus on the green? Were they misbehaving?
Aw, heck no. We were just trying to have fun with them.
We can't help it if flames fly out of our mouth when we laugh.
And we hardly singed a single person.
Then they just started yelling at us, calling us scaly and foul-smelling and all sorts of stuff.
People can be so insensitive.
Don't call me names. Don't be so mean. By the standards of a dragon, I'm a lovely shade of green. Don't call me names. They make me blue. 'Cause all the teasing hurts the feelings of a dragon too. Cause I'm scared to death of my fiery breath, and I'll try you when you're damned. Yes, I'm the perfect pet when you're making s'mores I can't. Don't call me names. Don't be so cold. I'm just a gentle giant sitting on a pile of gold. Don't call me names. They make me blue. While feeling of the feelings of a dragon too. Oh, I must confess, we're in such a bad press. You say we're full of gold. Don't go running high with my open wide. I'm just showing off my smile. Don't call me names. Don't be so mean. By the standards of a dragon, I'm a lovely shade of green. Don't call me names. They make me blue. 'Cause all the teasing has the feelings of a dragon too. 'Cause all the teasing